Hey mates, this is Brother Barnes, and your dietary analysis project is due. From the very beginning, I have been working on this project myself personally, and I've made several videos on how I got started with this. By the time, let me go to assignments here. By the time that you are about to submit your project, you will be almost to the final. So blessings to you. Good job. Anyhow, here's your diet nutrition analysis project, 15% of the total of your grade. This is a big deal. As far as I can tell, I have not done this yet because you have to put together 3 days of data and then analyze that to answer the questions, and then I believe do some file uploads. I will know more as I get this done as well. I'm proud of you. Good job. Keep up the good work. Hope you've had a good semester.